How many times have we walked into a masjid, but never really left what we were doing? How many times have we stood in prayer and walked away unchanged? We say Allahu Akbar, we bow, we prostrate, we recite, but deep inside we know that our hearts are still distracted, that our souls are still hungry, that something is still missing. Prayer was never meant to be a series of physical motions. It was meant to be a moment of meeting with the divine, a sacred appointment with the Lord of the heavens and the earth. Not a routine, but our refuge. Not just an obligation, but a gift. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The coolness of my eyes was placed in prayer." But today, many of us pray only with our bodies, not with our hearts. We recite, but we don't reflect. We prostrate, but we don't surrender. How do you awaken your khushoo, that sacred stillness, that beautiful humility, that presence of heart, so that every time you say Allahu Akbar, you mean it with every fiber of your being? It's time to move beyond ritual. It's time to meet your Lord in prayer, not just with your forehead, but with your full attention.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.